So I wanted to start off this vlog with a little physique update because I've been weighing consistently around 134 pounds, but I've been eating absolutely terribly. So I want to just document how I look right now, so when I clean up my diet, I can be like, thank God you did that, Lauren, maybe stick to that. So it's not like I'm carrying a lot of fat or anything. The majority of my fat I actually carry in the back of my arms, like where my triceps are. There's like excess fat here, and then I carry a lot, kind of like underneath my butt, and you can like literally see it. So that's where the majority is, but for the most part, still looking pretty lean, which is nice. My abs aren't really there unless I'm flexing. So I haven't eaten yet. This is just kind of what I look like 24/7. And then if I flex, you can kind of see a little bit. I'm more of someone that genetically has stronger upper abs than lower abs. I feel like that's kind of most people, to be honest. But if you watch any of my like super old videos, I basically don't have abs in comparison to what I used to have, but it's fine. I literally could not care less. It's never something that I've really chased. My quads are getting pretty big, so this is the goal. I've wanted big legs since forever, so that's nice. Hamstrings are still kind of non-existent. You can see a little bit, but a lot of this is fat, to be completely honest. My butt, I don't know. My butt is forever growing because I do legs pretty often. And then triceps are finally getting there. Finally, I feel like it took me forever to build muscle in that department. I need to start training biceps again because they're looking kind of small in comparison. And then lats. I train a lot of back, but I don't train a lot of lats nowadays. So I want to kind of get back into that, but not looking terrible for the most part. I'm pretty comfortable with how I'm looking, and I have been maintaining. Like, I haven't been worried about putting myself in a surplus or anything like that. It's not really my goal right now. My body kind of needs a break. My maintenance used to be about 125 and I could never push past that. And now my maintenance is like 134 and I'm having trouble pushing past it. So slowly over time, you will find a new weight that will be your maintenance. But in order to get to that, you have to keep pushing your intake. So slowly increasing calories over time. My biggest tip for gaining weight is that when you hit a plateau, which you will, whether you're gaining weight or losing weight, you will eventually hit a plateau because your body's gonna get used to the calories. Go ahead and put yourself back on maintenance for like 1 or 2 weeks and then bump your calories back up. It shocks your body, but it also gives your body time to kind of recover and rest and kind of go back to like homeostasis mode, so that when you start increasing your calories again, you can kind of kickstart it and you'll slowly start gaining weight. So this is my outfit. I got this set from ICIW. It's a Swedish brand, but they actually just started selling internationally, well, shipping internationally. So there will be a haul, but it's like this sports bra, which is like a long line sports bra, which I really like because you can wear it as a crop top. And then these seamless leggings, which I love. I usually have a problem with this area, but the way that the fabric is fitted, and this is so tight, I don't have an issue. It's so nice. And they're high-waisted, so it's not as dramatic, and they're really cute. So these have like a little bit of mesh detailing, but I actually really like them. So this is what I'll be wearing to the gym. I always wear cute stuff whenever I film, otherwise I just wear normal clothes usually. So I decided to only use half the avocado because I'm going to use the other half and a half that I found in the fridge for my lunch. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt and some pepper. So I've got my 2 scrambled eggs and half an avocado, and I'm actually gonna have some cereal too. So I'm gonna have some Raisin Bran Crunch. In 1 cup, you've got 190 calories. So that's 1 fat, 46 carb, 4 protein. I really like all of these health cereals. Like, I love sweet cereals, don't get me wrong, but these actually fill me up, and it's a good place to get your fiber. So I'm not gonna pour any milk in it yet, just because obviously it's gonna get soggy. But I've got about 1.5 cups of Raisin Bran here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the Silk almond milk. I am lactose intolerant, but milk is also just disgusting, so. And I've been having a glass of water with every meal just to help with digestion.
We are aware of your outage. We expect your service to be restored by February 12th at 4:15 p.m.
So as you saw, the power is currently out in my house, and it's going to be out until about 4:30, and it is 11 o'clock. So luckily, my whole entire day is about to be spent outside of the house. Otherwise, that would have posed a bit of a problem. It's like 30 degrees outside, and it's been freezing rain for 2 days straight, which is most likely why the power is out, because the power cords are literally frozen. It's fine. I have been feeling so unmotivated to go to the gym, and it is because, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, I'm not following a program right now because I'm going to be doing a powerlifting competition. I just signed up for one. It's the one in Virginia at the beginning of May. I'm super excited, but I need to find a program that I want to follow because I don't technically have a coach. Okay, cool, we've closed off this road, so that's fine. Alrighty, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn around. I have zero motivation because I'm not following a program, and if you're having issues with getting started in the gym, your best bet is to find a program as soon as possible. It doesn't even matter what it is, just try some stuff out, because creating your own workout is pretty difficult when you have no idea what you're doing. I was able to do it because I did so much research. Number one, because that's just my personality. I'm like, nope, I can do it on my own, it's fine. And number two, I was also making some YouTube videos, so I was like, this information can actually go into helping my subscribers. So it was kind of like a win-win situation for both of us. So yeah, that's my biggest tip. Wow, there are literally like trees down. Trees that have been in the neighborhood for years are on the ground. It has not been that windy. I am genuinely so confused. honestly had such a great workout. Got a little tricep, bicep pump, got a little back pump. Let's see if I can get a shot of my back. These are really hard. Hey, not too bad. Let's see if I can see my lower back. God, how do bodybuilders do this? I don't know if you can even tell. Whatever, I worked out. So it is 12:45. Really good workout. I'm so tired. I made myself lunch so I can eat at the library while I'm doing some work. My dentist appointment is at 3:20, so I'm gonna try and get there at like 3:15. So I am making my way through NASM right now. It's actually not that bad. I've talked to a bunch of people who have it, and they said that the test is mostly about training people anyways, which is kind of what I assumed it would be, and like special populations, not so much like memorizing every single bone in the body. So that's good to know, because I'm really bad at memorization for stuff like that, because that's not me. Like, I did film in school, PR and marketing. I can memorize that stuff, but the bones of the body, this is like information that I don't need. So it's a lot harder to memorize. But with that being said, things are going pretty well, so that's good. And I actually am going to reopen my application for coaching, so I will link that down below. I'm gonna keep it open for a little bit longer this time. Last time I only kept it open for 2 days because I got so many applications, way more than I thought I would, but I wanted to open it back up and do like a formal announcement in a video. So if you're interested in one-on-one online coaching, it's just online. It'll have weekly check-ins, you'll have communication with me 24/7, and then you will also get a personalized workout program and macros/calories if you want that. I'm trying to put everyone on macros if they're comfortable with it, just because it makes everyone's life easier and you're more likely to see results because you'll know that your nutrition is in check. I can't do meal plans because I'm not a registered dietitian, so if that's something you need, you have to go elsewhere for that portion. But that is reopened, so I will have the link to the application down below. You just have to answer some questions. It takes like 6 or 7 minutes, and then if I think that we may be a good match, then I will send you over a link to Calendly so we can make an appointment for a phone call. So a little update on that if you were interested or had no idea. So now I'm going to head out. I literally hate that I still cannot figure out what my like front shield and back windshields, what they're supposed to be on. Is it supposed to be hot? Is it supposed to be cold? I don't know. I've been driving for so long now and I still can't figure it out. I swear every time I go to the dentist, I have a cavity. I just have like the worst teeth in the world, I swear to God. But it's genetics, because my mom is British and their teeth suck. Not just because dentistry isn't over there, it's just like Europeans. I don't really know what happened back in the day, but everyone's got really bad teeth. So it's annoying, but whatever. I'm heading home now. My camera's about to die, and I'm also ending this vlog because I need to edit it. But it is 4:48. I had to wait for a hot minute, so it took a lot longer than I thought it would because my appointment was at 3:20. So I have a call with a potential client at 5:30, so I'm super excited about that. So my camera died mid-sentence, but I was basically saying that I was going to be doing some client calls. Unfortunately, I need to reschedule them because I had a little emergency. So that sucks, and it's really annoying, so hopefully I can get a good time for them. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog here. So if you guys did want to apply for coaching, if that's something you're interested in, I'll link the application down below. It's just through Typeform. If not, I have some workout plans on my website, lawenwoss.com, or you can just keep consuming all the free content I put out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you.